Properties and Fair Home Offer KC, your number one source to sell your property quickly here in Kansas City. Today I'm coming to you with 3 tips to sell a house that you just inherited. So sometimes we inherit a house, lucky you just got a house from, sweet grandma or your aunt or uncle perhaps, and you're looking to sell the property. So that can be a great option for an inherited house. And here are 3 tips to make that as successful as possible. So number 1, the first thing to do is go ahead and look through all the possessions, and anything that has a lot of sentimental value or something that you're really attached to, go ahead and box that up, get that poster framed, take that keepsake home with you and put it on the shelf. Take ownership of those keepsakes and memorables, but get them out of the house. So you want to start to distance the emotional aspect of your emotions with the property itself, and look at that as just shelter. And then there's the memories that you have, which are really important. So go ahead and get those preserved for yourself. Number 2 is to go ahead and do any repairs. So it's quite possible that, grandma didn't go down into the basement for the last 10 years of her life, and, things started to kind of fall apart down there. Over time, houses fall apart, they break, things break, they need a little bit of maintenance, and that's not always done. So go ahead and make any repairs around the property to get the house in tip-top shape. Number 3, similar to the last one, go ahead and paint the property. Now you can either do this yourself, it's a lot of work, or you can hire somebody. It's actually a little cheaper than you might think, but a fresh coat of paint on the inside especially, but maybe even the inside and the outside, can do wonders for a house. It gives it that nice new fresh smell and just make things really pop. As well, you can update it with modern accent colors such as this gray that you see behind me, which has been in vogue for a little while now. So those are the 3 tips I have to help you sell an inherited house. If you're looking to sell a house here in Kansas City, especially one that needs a little repairs, maybe you did inherit a house and you're not really sure about how to navigate the real estate market, go ahead and give us a call at 816-800-9238 or visit fairhomeofferkc.com. We'll make you a no obligation cash offer or a creative offer in which we can offer you a little more money sometimes. So we have different options for you. Just go ahead and give us a call and we'll find out the best option for you. With that being said, have a great rest of your day and thanks for watching.